Hi, I'm Dan from allwheat.com, and today we're making a no-bake cherry pie. My grandma makes this pie with chocolate on the top, but today I'll be making it with cherries, just like my mom makes it. For this recipe, you'll need 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Then you'll need 8 ounces of Cool Whip or 500 milliliters of whipped cream. Then you'll need 21 ounces of pie filling. I use cherries, just like my mom. Then you'll need 1 pie crust prepared. I'm using a gluten-free one just in case my aunt comes over. But you can use any kind of prepared crust you want. Then lastly, you'll need 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. Now that you know all the ingredients, let's start preparing. First, add your cream cheese to the bowl. Now mix till there are no clumps. Now add your 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. Now add in your Cool Whip. Now at the lowest speed of your mixer, mix for a minute. Now put your cream into your prepared pie crust with a spatula. Now put your cherry pie filling on top. Now put it in the fridge for up to an hour. Now let's give this pie a try. That's so good. If you want to find the full recipe, go in the description below. Go over here to subscribe and go down here to see our newest video. Bye!